What do you think? What about the audio? How do you think it sounds? Is it better? Is it better than? Is it an improvement from what it was? Today's video is 3 years late. This was supposed to be uploaded probably 3 years earlier. And yeah, what am I talking about? Let's find out. What's up guys, Anubhav here. Welcome back to a brand new video here on the channel. And in this video, a lot of things are different. Number one, I'm standing, not sitting down, because I think this would be a better frame considering we've got a backpack on the top down angle. And if you guys are thinking this is a what's in my tech bag video, no, not yet. Don't really have places to go to while carrying my bag with tech in it. So yeah, that answers that. But in today's video, I'm talking about 3 packages that Rode microphones sent to me back in 2018 but are finally delivered. We'll be talking about what these microphones are. I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to use them, and also telling you guys a little bit about the story of how this ended up finally getting delivered to me after 3 long years. With that said, if this video sounds interesting, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. Alright, so here we have my Nike backpack that I really like. I'm just gonna open this up. Of course, the microphones did not come in an actual Nike backpack. They came in a cardboard box, but I had to dispose of that because COVID-19, stay safe, wear a mask. You can just open this up. And so we've got a lot of stuff here, as you guys can see. The first thing is this, which obviously I put it here. It wasn't inside the bag. This is a sticker from the guys over at Rode. I really like them. One of them is also on one of my friend's guitar. So yeah, I like this sticker a lot. I'm gonna put this to the side. Next up, we've got a dead cat, and no cats were harmed for making this. A dead cat is basically a wind muff for your microphone, so you can cover your mic with this, and the wind noises, all of these noises, you won't really, be a problem anymore, especially if you're shooting outdoors. This is for the VideoMic Pro Plus, which is also a microphone that we have here. So I'm gonna put this to the side as well. Next up, we've got another windshield. This is the WS7. And this windshield is specifically for the Rode NT-G3, which is why I'm super excited and I'm making this video in the first place. But we'll save that for last. Let's go to the VideoMic Pro Plus. This is the Rode VideoMic Pro Plus. It's an on-camera shotgun microphone. A lot of you guys might recognize this as the microphone that is used to record vlogs. And while you guys are right, the VideoMic Pro Plus is the latest one. Comes with a 10-year warranty, suspension that mounts into your hot shoe mount, includes a battery, and has an optimized shape. Now, I am yet to use this. The audio that you are currently listening to is from actually the Rode Video Micro, which is the cheapest one that they offer. So it's gonna be a huge upgrade from here on out. With that said, let's come to the star of the show, last but definitely not the least. And I'm just gonna put the bag to the side. Alright, so this is the Rode NT-G3, which is a broadcast level shotgun microphone. Now, I have a lot of comments from a lot of videos, and while there are a lot of good comments, there are also comments saying that, there's a lot of echo in this main A-roll shot, and I do not deny it. I have tried a lot of things to do, but because of my lack of, a good microphone, I couldn't really we've got rugs here, acoustic panels, the works. But I feel like for so many of these videos, I've been using this. If you guys recognize it, this is the Zoom H4n Pro. It's a handy recorder which works really, really well actually, but I've been using the recorder on this to record my videos for the audio part, which is why the audio might be a little lacking. If you plug this in, use this, as an interface between the microphone of your choice, whether it's a condenser, whether it's a shotgun, the audio quality should improve drastically. So this is what I'm going to be using with the Rode NT-G3. Of course, because this is an expensive shotgun microphone, you get this leatherized finish carrying pouch. Also this weather resistant sort of container, which looks honestly really scary and has some very good weight to it. You open this up, and inside this is your microphone. And yeah, this is the Rode NT-G3. Looks really premium and also has some weight to it. You've also got the normal wind muff over here. You can just put this on and you can boom this microphone. And ideally it should be placed pointed somewhere around your lower chin or your chest, because the way shotgun microphones work, is the fact that it captures all the sound that comes in from the top, so directly pointed towards the microphone, whereas if there is sound coming from the side or from the back side of the microphone, it is not gonna, recognize those sounds or not amplify those frequencies. You've also got this, which is a handy little mount system for wherever you want to mount this microphone into, and of course a lot of support guides and stuff that nobody's gonna end up reading. So I'm super excited to check this new gear out. Once again, a huge shout out to Rode. Yes, it took me 3 years, but I still ended up getting. So once again, thank you Rode for sending this out. But most importantly, let's talk about why this took me 3 years to finally get my hands on. So I was talking to Rode back in 2018. We were talking on the Twitter DM, their official page, and I was talking about whether they were cool, if whether they wanted to send some gear my way because I needed it and I would love to make a review for them. Of course, no money was exchanged. This was not a paid partnership or anything, just a simple barter review system. And they agreed, but they were having some problems with their suppliers in India, which is why they asked me whether I had a friend or a relative living in the States or in Canada so that they could send them out to them and that person could send it back to me, which sounded great. And just as it happens, my good buddy Rahul Bagdai from TrueTech, a lot of you might know him, is one of the OGs. And Rahul, man, if you're watching this, thank you so much. Super glad to finally get my hands on these. With that said, Rahul, I asked him, he was studying, he still is studying at that time in Toronto, and I asked him if he could, receive these microphones on my behalf and if he would be kind enough to ship it to me. So shipping was an entirely different story altogether. COVID happened, a lot of things happened, and I finally got these shipped for around $470 Canadian. So it took me 27,000 Indian INR to get these shipped all the way from Toronto to here. So even though these are review units, I did somehow pay for it. And also it took me 10,000 rupees in the Indian customs, which I paid right a couple of hours before I'm shooting this video. This got delivered today itself. And if you look at it, I paid 37,000 rupees Indian to get all of this here, but I still feel like it's a great deal because this microphone costs way more than that, and the amount of value that I will be able to derive from it is really something that I cannot put into prices. With that said, I know you guys love listening to me talk, but it's time to change the microphone. I'm gonna figure out some way to mount this, and we'll see how the audio quality is. And that'll be it for today's video. And from here on out, all the videos, should I be doing this? This feels weird. And from here on out, all the videos that are uploaded in this channel will also have super crispy audio. So let's cut to the part where I am figuring out how to mount this. Alright guys, so this is just a very, very small test of using the Rode NT-G3. I've just plugged it into my interface. For some reason, I was having trouble powering it with the Zoom H4n Pro. So I thought just for this video's sake, I will show you guys how to do it. And let me know, what do you think? What about the audio? How do you think it sounds? Is it better? Is it better than, is it an improvement from what it was? I'll have to figure out how to get this exact audio running in the A-roll setup outside in the living room. But with that said, I think that is it for today's video. Huge shout out once again to Rode for sending this out to me. I feel like the audio is super crisp, super nice. With that said, this is Amnav signing out. I'll catch you guys next time. You guys have a great day. Stay safe. Peace out.